#Imagine is a strategy to release hope in South Africa and develop the visionary leaders our country will need in the future. Leaders with integrity, a moral compass, compassion, commitment and faith.
Ons is 'n jong nasie. Rolweg 50% van Suid-Afrikaners is jonger as 25. Omtrent 80% van hulle kom uit 'n Christelike agtergrond en hulle is gereed om 'n wonderlike waarheid te omhels. Te midde van soveel onsekerhede in ons wêreld, het God 'n droom vir hulle lewens. In hom is hulle toekoms vas en seker.
The Imagine movement says young people have the ability to dream, the capacity to believe in the impossible, the boundless energy to put those dreams into action. Young people are nation builders and game changers.
For me to actually, achieve something in life, I have to have a dream.
I think as jy droom jy nie bang maak nie, sal hy nie groot genoeg nie.
If you do not dream big, you actually never get anywhere.
As jy glo enigiets is moontlik, dan gaan jou lewe baie beter wees.
#Imagine is a nationwide dream, and we started by bringing young people together from everywhere.
Ek kom van Forsberg af.
Piketberg in Botesberg.
Kaapstad.
Ek is van George.
Bellville.
Ek kom van Boksburg af.
Ek kom van Mooinou af.
Ek kom van die dam af.
I'm from South Africa. I'm not American.
Potgietersrus van Kimberley.
Ireland, Lime Acres.
Bethlehem.
Ek bly in Duivelskloof.
We bring thousands of young people together to unleash their energy, to connect them with each other and to show them that they are not alone. The atmosphere becomes electric and the spontaneous spirit of celebration and unity is something to experience. If the future looks and feels like #Imagine, then the future is indeed bright and exciting.
What I've learned today is that, that Peter was the rock.
Die Here stap op pad saam jou en ons is geskep in sy beeld.
It's just amazing how we're learning from each other.
God is baie awesome.
Dat die Here saam met ons is, maak nie saak wat ons doen in die lewe nie, hy sal altyd daar saam met ons wees. En hy is ons rots. Wow, I'm so happy.
To change the future of South Africa, we need young people with caring hearts and the skill to put their compassion into action. #Imagine helps teach teens and youth leaders to go and get their hands dirty in their communities.
We come from different backgrounds and churches, but God put us together in South Africa with a plan and a purpose. So, at #Imagine, we worship together, discover together, laugh and cry together, and go crazy together. Our young people have tons of healthy, positive energy, and they love having fun.
We challenge teenagers with a massive vision. Every problem in our country and in the world is a unique opportunity for someone who can dream, someone who can believe for change and is prepared to get involved. Our God can do anything, much more than we can imagine, guess, or request in our wildest dreams. We want to show teenagers and their youth leaders impossible situation and ask them, can they make it better?
Ons wil hulle hard hoor sê, ja ons kan, want God het ons in sy beeld geskep. Sy krag is in ons. Omdat hy kan, kan ons.
Ons is die volgende generasie en ons gaan bepaal wat gaan gebeur met ons land.
Ek gaan 'n verskil probeer maak waar ek kan.
Uitreik, ons gaan uitreik.
Bietjie liefde versprei, mense deel maak van Christus.
Ek gaan die woord van God versprei.
We give teens a voice and a platform to use. The future will ask enormous output from these young leaders. This output will be determined by the input we give to them. #Imagine wants to make sure that this input reaches maximum potential. Our young people are worth it.
When I stood up, I was just like, wow.
Vanaand het ek dit gekry waarna enige Christen soek.
Ek het meer besef dat God belangrik is. Hy het 'n verskil in my lewe gemaak.
My hele lewe voel anders.
He completely changed my whole life. Dit het net vir my gelyk of hy 'n verskil in almal se lewe gemaak het.
Let's come together in 2015. Let's dream big, believe God for more than we can imagine, and be ready to act.
Let's go bigger than ever before. The future is here.
#Imagine!